I'm going to walk you through how to add vertical video in Squarespace. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or someone who's keen on sharing personal content, incorporating vertical videos into your Squarespace website can be a fantastic way to engage your audience. Vertical videos are increasingly popular, especially with the rise of platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and they offer a unique way to capture attention. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly add these to your Squarespace site. First, you'll want to navigate to the page where you wish to add your video. Once you're there, you'll need to add a block to your page. In Squarespace, blocks are the fundamental building elements for creating content, so getting comfortable with them is key to customizing your site. To do this, simply click on the Add Block button. This will open up a menu with a variety of options for different types of content you might want to include on your page. From the list of available options, select Video. This choice is essential because it ensures you're adding a video in the correct format and display. It's worth mentioning that Squarespace supports different video formats, and selecting the right block will help maintain the quality and functionality of your video. Once you've selected the video block, you have two main options for adding your vertical video. The first option is to upload the video file directly. This is ideal if you have a video file saved on your computer that you'd like to showcase. To do this, simply click on the upload option, browse your files, and choose the vertical video you want to use. Direct uploads are great for maintaining full control over your content and ensuring your video is always available without relying on third-party platforms. Alternatively, if your video is already hosted on YouTube, you can paste the link directly into the video block. This method is particularly useful if you want to take advantage of YouTube's hosting capabilities, such as faster loading times and reduced server strain on your website. To do this, copy the link from your YouTube video and paste it into the designated area in the video block. Squarespace will automatically detect the video and embed it into your page. Once your video is uploaded or linked, take a moment to preview how it appears on your site. This step is crucial because it allows you to see exactly how your audience will experience the content. Ensure that the video displays correctly and maintains its vertical orientation. If you notice any issues, you might want to double check the video block settings or the original video file's properties. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively add vertical videos to your Squarespace website, enhancing the visual appeal and interactivity of your content. Vertical videos can be a compelling way to connect with your audience, and now you have the tools to integrate them seamlessly into your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.